Most motorcycle crashes don't happen because the rider bought the wrong gloves or did not buy the latest gadget. They happen because the rider stopped paying attention. They got comfortable. Here are the habits that saved my hide more times than I can count. Trust your gut. It's smarter than you think. Ever pull up next to a vehicle that looked perfectly fine, but yet something didn't seem right? You couldn't explain it. You just knew it. Listen to that feeling. Your brain processes thousands of clues you don't consciously notice. The driver's head position, the movement of the tires. Your subconsciousness puts all these little puzzle pieces together before your conscious mind catches up. If your gut feeling tells you something is wrong, don't stand around conducting an investigation. Move, back off, slow down, speed up, change lanes. Do whatever you have to do to survive. Build your invisible bubble. Pretend that your motorcycle has a 3-foot force field surrounding it. Nobody gets inside your bubble if you can help it. Every inch of space around your motorcycle buys you something very valuable. Time. Time to brake, time to swerve. Most riders focus on what's in front of them. Experienced riders are looking everywhere. Who's creeping up beside them? Who's tailgating? Who's about to merge? Pretend that every vehicle around you is about to do something absolutely stupid, because eventually, one of them will. Build space, protect space, fight to keep space, because once someone steals your escape route, you're just along for the ride. Number 3. Stop choking the handlebars. Every new rider makes the same mistake. Relax. The handlebars aren't going anywhere. Instead, grip the tank with your knees. It feels weird at first. That's because most people will never learn how to ride correctly. When your knees hold the tank, your arms relax. Your shoulders loosen up. Your steering becomes smoother. Your knees stabilize the bike. Your hands steer it. Those are two completely different things. The motorcycle wants to stay upright. Quit fighting it. Work with it. Number 4. Play the what if game. While you're riding, constantly ask yourself, what if this SUV turns left? What if traffic suddenly stops? What if that dog decides that today is time to meet a Harley? You're not worrying, you're preparing. If you've never mentally practiced emergency situations, your brain has to start solving problems after it happens. By then, you're already behind. Number 5. Turn every gas stop into a pit stop. Slow down. Every gas stop should be a reset. Take 1 minute. Stretch. Drink water. Ask yourself, am I getting tired? Am I distracted? Am I rushing? If the answer is yes, sit down. Take 5 minutes. Now, walk around your motorcycle. Look at your tires. Look for leaks. Clean your visor. Check your lights. It takes less time than scrolling through Facebook while you're pumping gas. Notice something? None of these habits require expensive equipment. These habits cost absolutely nothing. They simply require discipline. And discipline beats horsepower any time of the day. Final thoughts. The road doesn't care how many years you've been riding. And it definitely doesn't care that you had the right of way. Because the cemetery is full of people that had the right of way. Ride like everyone's trying to kill you. Not because they actually are, but because they're too busy staring at their phones to notice you. You don't have to be paranoid. Just be professionally suspicious. Do that and you'll stack the odds in your favor every time you throw a leg over that motorcycle. If you got something out of this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe, the like button, share the video with family and friends, watch this next video, and as always, let's ride.